Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the document and locating the index or table of contents you need to update. Once open, make sure styles are visible and you can see page breaks and heading levels. That helps identify what word uses. Save a backup copy now so you can revert if something goes wrong. Then place the cursor anywhere inside the existing index area. This is the first actionable step that tells Word which index to refresh. Once your cursor is inside the index, use the Update table or Update field control from the References tab or the right-click menu. This is where you decide how much to refresh. Choose Update page numbers only if headings haven't changed, otherwise select Update entire table to capture new headings and structure. If some entries are manual fields, press F9 or right-click an Update field to refresh them individually. Make sure styles applied to headings are consistent, so the index reflects. After the update, scan the index to confirm page numbers and headings match the document. If you see missing entries or odd formatting, make sure those headings use Word's built-in styles. Reapply heading 1, 2, or 3 as needed, then update again. If formatting looks corrupted, clear local formatting, reapply the correct style, and run a full update. As a key troubleshooting tip, show hidden marks and style names, fix the offending paragraphs, then update the
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.